And as the head of a company working in 90 countries around the world, what's the climate like for you doing your business here comparatively?
You know, Adam, I travel around the world, and it is very, very clear that by the time before you enter here, if you were the battery man, you would say your batteries are running at 40–50%. When you come here and you see the energy, it is 100%. And I'll tell you the reason why. The reason why is every individual, every company, every organization that you meet, whether it is government or public sector, you look at their plans and you say, thank God there are dreamers. Thank God there are people who like to punch high and above their weight. So, my last 2 days, I meet the CEO of the Civil Aviation Authority equivalent. And he says his task is, he currently gets about 85 million passengers, 85 million visitors. He's going to increase it to 330 million in 2030. Any other part of the world, they talk about how to reduce. I mean, here somebody is talking about 4x. Similarly, I met the esports people yesterday. The esports CEO tells me, two interesting points. Esports CEO Turkey himself could not reach here because of the traffic. And I said, I complimented him that you couldn't reach because of the traffic. That means Leap is so popular. The second part was, he said the first time they held a esports and they had 500 registered gamers who came and played, and the number of visitors, both online and offline, was 1.6 million. Now think about the future. Think about the confidence. So that's why when I say my batteries get charged up, now you know why.